Hey marketers, welcome to day 21 of the AI plus SEO Mastery Challenge. Today's focus, generate SEO schema. Markup using AI, the 2025 way. Here's how you can do it fast. Step 1. Ask ChatGPT to generate JSON-LD schema for your blog, local business, FAQ, or product. Step 2. Copy and test the code using Google's Rich Results test. Step 3. Paste the validated code into your site's header, or use a plugin like Rank Math or Yoast Schema. Boosts your chances of getting rich results like stars, FAQs, and breadcrumbs in search. Bonus tip: use tools like Also Asked plus ChatGPT to auto-generate FAQ schema with questions users are searching for. Tomorrow is day 22. Boost website speed with AI optimization tools.